Once you have your workflow stages and user roles defined, you can now apply the workflow logic onto your diagram. It should help you to manage this process by understanding what part the diagram plays. Be aware that a forms diagram is interrogated whenever an instance is submitted. The system will always know what the current stage an instance is at, and for new instances submitted, that will be the defined default stage or starting point. The system will identify the pathways leaving the stage and, importantly, the conditions defined on those pathways. If a condition is true, then that path will be followed. As a result of the path being followed, the system will trigger any behavior attached to that path, and the instance will move to the next stage at the other end of the path. Whilst we can add many different behaviors onto a workflow path, the important one from the workflow perspective is the notify command. That command will let the recipient know they have an instance waiting to process, and will normally provide them with a link to open that instance. So in order to add the workflow logic onto your form, you need to define for each pathway a condition that will trigger the instance to move to the next stage, and a corresponding behavior that includes a notification to the next person involved in the process. In the next few tutorial videos, we will demonstrate the different elements involved in applying the workflow logic onto a diagram.